Hello everybody, this is Vincent from AffiliateTheorem.io, and this video is about adding navigation menus. So as you can see right now, in our case there is no navigation menu up here where it usually appears on a website, and it says note navigation not defined. So that's what we want to do right now, just to create this main navigation up here and create also a menu for the footer. So this is pretty easy in WordPress. In your backend, under Appearance, you go to Menus. And now here you can create a new menu. Let's just call it Main Nav for now, because it's the main navigation that appears on top of our website. And now on the left side, we see all our pages we already created before displayed. So now for the main navigation, it's sensible to just add the contact, blog and homepage. So you just click them and click add to menu. So here you go. So now the pages are inserted in the menu. Now we have to define where this menu appears. So this is possible right here. It says display location, and we want it to be displayed as the main navigation, as we said. So let's just click that and click Save Menu and refresh our front end. And as you can see, very easily, we created a main navigation for our website. So I don't like that the homepage is displayed as the last item here in the list. So it's very easy again. We go back to the back end and we can just drag and drop all the elements that are in here. We click Save Menu, back to the front end, and now we have homepage as the first item in our main navigation. So now let's do the same thing for the footer, because we also want certain menu items to appear at the bottom of our page. So we click again, create new menu. We call it footer menu. And for now, I would just add the copyright page and the contact page to our footer menu. So let's click add to menu. And again, we have to define where it is displayed in our website. So we're going to choose footer for now and click Save Menu. So let's take a look if our footer menu appears on our website. So actually I refreshed it already, and you can see that here on the right side we have our copyright page and contact page in the footer menu. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to create already quite good looking menus in a few minutes with WordPress, if you have, of course, a good theme. So sometimes you may also want to have some items here in the list that are non-clickable. So for example, you have one icon that is called blog and you have certain submenus. And if you don't want the blog item to be clicked, but just the submenus, you have to change something about this item. So let's take a look at that. So we go back to our main navigation, click select, and now the items we defined appear again. And now we want to create this item that is not clickable. So we go to custom links on the left side, and for the URL we just insert a hashtag. And the link text, this is what will appear in the navigation menu. We will just name it no click for now. Add to menu. And now we see a custom link what was added to our main navigation. So let's just see how this looks in the front end. Let's update it and see it here. So for example, we can click on our contact page and it appears immediately. If we click on no click, nothing happens except for this little hashtag in our URL. So this works as well. So one last thing that is important about menus is that you can customize this appearance here in the back end. So you can click screen options as in any part of the WordPress system. And you can add certain things here to be displayed in the backend. So for example, you can add the link target and the CSS classes. So now if you go to one item, let's take the home page, we have two new options that appear here. First of all, this is the link target. So you can just click this, and if somebody clicks on homepage, it will be opened in a new tab. So that's very handy. You can also do this with code, but here you just have to click it. And if you start writing CSS code or custom code in general for your website, you can just type in a CSS class here that you defined in your style.css, and this class will automatically be used for this homepage element. So that's also very handy, especially when you start to customize your site more.